to episode 2 of Moturd, and I'm just going to dig right into this. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to get this wiring harness out of the way. It is connected. Okay, I thought I could pull that. No, okay, never mind. I thought I could disconnect that, but it's not going to work. So, I'm going to start yanking these off. It says about a quarter to quarter to a half turn at a time, but from outside to in. But I think I'm going to do about an eighth turn. Working from outside in a crisscross pattern. You'll notice my painted nails. Compliments of my daughters. Okay, then in another video I saw it took them all the way out before doing these inner ones, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think we'll start, let's start at the same spot. Go here. And then I think I'll do quarter turn. Yeah, that's basically loose at that point, so. Okay, reason number like 512 why you shouldn't listen to me. I did drop these 4 head, and I think it's supposed to be these 5 as well back in here. 5, so 10 are supposed to have washers, and I dropped one. I don't know where it is, so that's great. And I'm going to take this off. I did mark. Oh man, I really screwed this up. But now it'll come off at least. Oh well, live and learn. I hope Honda makes a tough bike here. Pretty confident they do. So they know gringos like me are gonna work on them. Okay, I got it off. A really poor job of it, but okay, status report. Really messed up getting that cover off. Did it completely. Gotta take these 2 for the guide, for the timing chain. Gotta take those off. Along with all the other bolts. Didn't realize that. Might have completely warped it, bricked it right there, I don't know. But luckily, I found that washer in there. It's not focusing right, but I'm positive it's right there. Now I just got to figure out how to get that out. Preferably without breaking anything. Okay, luckily I got the washer out. I used I actually took the spark plug out and then used this to kind of sneak it up the edge. There, thank goodness I got that out while I'm here. Take out the rest of the spark plugs. Okay, so I actually moved the intake side camshaft over, kept it on here though. I saw somebody else online do. Nice. Alright, I really think I've screwed this up, but I'm at least gonna measure them and we're gonna give this a try, but I don't know. Thanks, Tyler, for loaning these to me. Alright, I think I got it pretty much back together. Lubed the crap out of it. And I'm going to put the cover back on here. Needs to go this way. I'm going to install these inner ones first with the washers. But this side seems to be a little bit closer in this tolerance, or like this gap, versus this gap's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to start down there. And I'm really just crossing my fingers at this point. Just finger tight so we're starting at least as level as possible. Okay, here's the update. I got the camshaft cover back on. I got this cover back on. Getting ready to put back on the throttle bodies so that we can test it and see if I screwed everything up or whether it's going to work. So, not filming a bunch of the reassembly, it's just everything backwards, so just trying to get it done. Okay, moment of truth. Not hearing the fuel pump kick on though. Okay, so I looked online. A couple people said you need the headlight plugged in for it to start. There we go, now I hear it, okay. Moment of truth. was a pretty decent chance it wasn't going to start at all. So thank you to those who tipped me off online. You got to have the headlight installed for the fuel pump to prime to be able to start it. So if you got it all apart, that might be why it's not starting. And it is smoking out the back pretty good. You can see it right here. So we'll see. It doesn't even smell like smoke, really. It might be just steam from the cat. I don't know. This is a California model bike. So, alright, thank you if you followed along with this. There is more to come, and I'll be working on the Yamaha as well pretty soon. But like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'm really surprised it started, so I'm very happy right now. And I think that this will be ready to go for a trip to San Francisco this weekend. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye.